Looking for a motherboard that fully supports 3rd General AMD Ryzen processors and is ready for future AMD Ryzen releases? This MSI board delivers just that, with a BIOS update ensuring you stay ahead. It also supports dual-channel DDR4 memory up to 128 GB running at a blazing 4866 MHz, giving you the speed and capacity your system demands. What sets this motherboard apart is its robust connectivity. It comes equipped with dual LAN ports, 2, 5G and gigabit, so you get ultra-fast, stable network performance whether you're gaming or streaming. Plus, the audio setup is impressive, featuring 5 rear audio ports and an optical SPDIF connection powered by the Realtek ALC1200, ALC1220P codec, delivering studio-grade sound that truly immerses you in every game or movie. If aesthetics matter, MSI's Mystic Light RGB lighting offers 16.8 million colors and 29 effects, letting you customize your rig's look down to the last detail. Beyond looks, the motherboard boasts a premium thermal solution with an aluminum cover, a 7W rated choke thermal pad, and a PCB with 2-ounce thickened copper for superior heat dissipation. This keeps your system cool and stable under heavy loads. Speed is another highlight. PCIe 4.0 support, Lightning Gen 4M. 2 slots with M.2 Shield Frozer, and AMD Turbo USB 3. 2 Gen 2 ensure lightning-fast data transfer and loading times. Whether you're installing games or transferring large files, this board handles it all without breaking a sweat. One satisfied user paired this motherboard with a Corsair Vengeance 32GB RAM kit and an AMD Ryzen 5 800X processor. The result? A CPU mark score over 30,000 to 2,000 points above the national average. They praised the dual Ethernet ports, massive heatsinks, and multiple fan headers, along with a water block header that supports custom cooling setups. The only caution was to measure your heatsink carefully if you use a large one, as RAM clearance can be tight. This motherboard is thoughtfully designed with plenty of room for expansion and cooling options, making it ideal for gamers and PC builders who want reliability and performance without compromise. It strikes a balance between feature-rich design and practical usability, all at a price that feels justified by its quality. If you're ready to upgrade your system with a motherboard that supports high-speed memory, advanced cooling, and stunning RGB lighting, this MSI AMD Ryzen motherboard is worth a look. It's built to handle demanding tasks and deliver a smooth, responsive experience whether for gaming, content creation, or everyday use. Try it when you're ready to elevate your PC build. With solid reviews and proven performance, this motherboard offers what you need to unlock your processor's full potential and enjoy a seamless, high-powered setup.